If there's one thing we share, we the lovers of the ones under the cloak, it's that pride we feel whenever we are reminded. It's unique, a positive, warm feeling steeped in gratitude. Deep down, we all know we're not worthy, but the warmth in the heart, the pride we feel when we hear his name and claim him as our own, as Islam's first and not fourth. The pride we feel when people like Dr. Henry Stubb describe him as just in all his actions, or Gerald de Gouy when he says he was brave in battle, true to his friends and magnanimous to his foes, or Wilfred Madelung who praises the generosity he showed to his defeated enemies, or Charles Mills who describes him as the Aaron of a second Moses. The list goes on. Thomas Carlyle, Edward Gibbon, Sir William Muir, Simon Oakley, Washington Irving, George Jordack, and on it goes. But how have so many failed to see the gate to the city? How did they miss the one who lifted the gate of Khaybar, the one whose door was left unlocked, the one who gave charity as he bowed, the one who walked away from Marhab, the one who slept in the Prophet's bed, the one who didn't run away, the one who counselled his enemies, the peak of eloquence, the champion at Badr, Uhud, Khandaq and Hunain, who fed the poor at night, the father of the youth of paradise, the one who was begged to lead, the dot under the bar, the Naba al-Azim, the one and only born inside the Kaaba. If that's not enough, turn to chapter 2 verse 207, or maybe 781 or 2082. If not, how about 58:12 or 13:43? Try 66:4, 3:6, 454, 483, 76:8, 42:23, 5:3, 555, 33:33. How can they not see? O Prophet, deliver what has been revealed to you from your Lord, and if you do not do it, then you have not delivered his message, and Allah will protect you from the people. This day have I perfected for you your religion and completed my favor on you and chosen for you Islam as a religion. Who are these verses about? 1400 years separate us, but he is forever our pride and honor. We claim him as ours. They kill us for it, but we still remain. When we embrace him, logic and ration soon fade away. Insane exaggerators we are often labeled, but drink from his fountain and taste for yourself. As he said to Kumail, what sprinkles on you flows within me. He is Nafs al-Rasul, Amir al-Mu'mineen, Imam al-Muttaqeen, Madhar al-Ajaib, Asadullah al-Ghalib, Maulana Ali ibn Abi Talib. Most of us know we're not worthy, but he is still our King and glory.